We have to help people to go to that experience of experiencing unconditional love, experiencing kindness, experiencing gratefulness. So that's why seminars, lectures, books, and all that are catalyst to get people into that thinking mode. So they all serve a value. But then once you begin them, and then they are, as you work with them, they are primed to go to the next stage and next stage and next stage, and eventually they become catalyst. They become an instrument to teach others to do this. So ultimately, we are all placed here as a catalyst to help each of us into becoming a spiritual being. And once we are a spiritual being, gratefulness flows within us. We are all utterly grateful. We are parked there, which exudes the positive energy and love and kindness, and loving, giving, serving falls into place.